Mission Lane and Surge Card can both be options for people building credit, but the APR and account terms can vary depending on the specific card offer and applicant profile. By the end, you'll know what to compare between Mission Lane and Surge Card, how APR affects your costs, and what factors matter before choosing either card. APR is the annual percentage rate charged on balances you carry from month to month. A higher APR means carrying a balance can become more expensive over time. The first thing to check is the exact APR listed in your card offer. Credit card issuers can provide different terms to different applicants based on factors such as credit history and other application information. Mission Lane offers credit cards designed for people who are building or rebuilding credit. The card terms, including APR and fees, depend on the offer you receive. Surge Card is also designed for people looking for a credit-building credit card. Like other cards in this category, the cost depends on the specific account terms provided during approval. Comparing APR alone is not enough. You should also review annual fees, credit limits, payment options, and whether the card reports activity to credit bureaus. A card with a lower APR may still cost more if it has higher fees. A card with a higher APR may not matter as much if you always pay your balance in full and avoid interest charges. Your payment habits are the biggest factor in avoiding credit card costs. Paying your statement balance on time can help you avoid interest charges and build a stronger payment history. Before applying, review the full card agreement for both Mission Lane and Surge Card. Look for the APR range, fees, and account rules that apply to your specific offer. Neither card is automatically the cheaper choice for every person. The better option depends on the terms you qualify for and how you plan to use the account. The key points are simple. Compare the exact APR you receive, check all fees, and choose a card you can manage responsibly. Your next step is to compare your Mission Lane and Surge Card offers side by side before accepting an application. Subscribe for more clear explanations about credit cards, APR, credit scores, and personal finance.